Yo, my people, off the back of the successful Road2Release pilot last year, I'm excited to announce we're back, but this time we're bigger and better. Linking up with Wolverhampton Art Gallery and Youth Music to bring you the official Road2Release program. Road2Release is the one-week bootcamp designed to help you release your music the right way. You'll get to build and connect with industry pros, sharpen your skills, and get your music out there your way. So we're looking for 6 up-and-coming artists. So whether you're a rapper or singer, age 18 to 25, from Wolverhampton and the surrounding areas that are sitting on some beat that they're ready to set the world alight with. Together, we're gonna put in some work on your chosen piece of music, get you ready for the stage and help you release it to the world whilst navigating the industry as an independent artist so you can start reaping the benefits. All you need is your music and your phone. It's simple. So if you're serious about taking your music to the next level, scan the QR code, hit the link in the bio, and let's get to work. Road2Release, man, never go on Insta, you get me?
I feel like I got a slight bit more confidence, you know, like I got a better idea of what I should be doing and solid strategies to put in place. You know.
One word, supportive.
I think the opportunities pointed me in certain directions that I needed. It just gave me that little push. I've seen everyone else's hunger. It's made me realize I need to have that same hunger, else I'm just gonna get dusted.
It's impacted my journey because, like I said, it's made me more consistent, more focused on what I'm trying to do, and it makes me want to push more tunes out.
Probably the biggest thing is like, yo, just keep dropping, like, don't watch anything else, like, keep dropping the music, it don't matter who's watching, like, it'll go up, you get me, like, just keep going. That's what I've learned from it.
Thank you for having us. This is sick, I think this hits that, yeah man, straight away.
One more time, is everybody good or what? I like it, man. For the Road2Release. Yeah, man.